Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to yet another video.
This video we are going to talk about 3 ways how you can use dual axis charts in Tableau. This is more about 3 ways that I personally like to use dual axis chart. You can find plethora of ways of how dual axis chart can best fit your requirement, but as of now in this video I'm gonna show you 3 of my personal favorite ways. So let me quickly jump into Tableau. One of the ways are, whenever I have to create combo charts. So basically combo charts means, let's say I have to show one measure as a line chart and the other measure has to be on a bar chart, but both of them needs to be on the same axis. So here you can see I have already added a filter for order date. So basically is that I just want a particular subset of dates. I just don't want the whole range of dates so that the views look good in this video. That's it, nothing extra. So I'll just pick order date. So I'll pick order date, I'll put it in column exact date, and you can see we have a continuous range of dates. Now I'll double click on sales and you see there's a line chart of sales, and then I'll double click on profit. Then you can see there are 2 different views of sales and profit. What we want in our case is, instead of 2 different rows, we want it to be on the same row on the same axis. So this is first thing, and second thing is we want one of them to be a line chart, the other one needs to be a bar chart. Click on the profit, we can turn it into a bar chart. Once that is done, let's right click on profit, and there it is, dual axis. This is first step. What is the second step, which sometimes people forget to do? Once you do dual axis chart, once you turn it into a dual axis chart, you need to synchronize the axis as well. So I'll right click over here, I'll synchronize the axis. So now both the left axis and right axis are synchronized. I can right click, I can remove this scale from there, and there it is. You have a line chart. The line chart signifies your sales, and then you have the bar chart which signifies the profit over the given period of time. You can add on a lot of things, like you can add on different colors to it. Let's say you want to see wherever profit has been greater than 0 and wherever it has been less than 0, there are different colors. You can change color of the line chart and all those things. So the kind of insights that you can get out of such views are, let's say, maybe let's try to convert this to a discrete value, and then you can see for particular discrete dates, this particular date 4/11/2023, the sales went really high. There was a peak in sales, but when it comes to profit, we didn't really do well in this case, in this date. So similarly, in this particular date, 22nd October, 22nd October, the sales went high, and as well as the profits did go high along with the sales. Let's move into the second way how I love to use dual axis charts. I'll track order date, exit dates. I want to show 2 lines, this year sale and last year sales. I want both the lines, both the trend lines to be on the same axis. So double click on sales and double click on sales last year. This is just a dummy calculation I have made for the purpose of this video. Right click, dual axis, right click, synchronize axis. I'll remove the scale from here, and there you have it. You can customize it a little bit with with some labels, and this is basically how it would look once you're done. So this is the sales of current year, and this is the sales of last year. So you can see how last year has been beating current year, or I would say current year has been relatively worse than last year. Now the third most interesting way how I love to use dual axis chart is to have a nice looking area chart. So let's say we have order date, I would do exact date, let's say we want to see profit, and this looks absolutely fine, nothing is wrong with it. But what I want in this case is I want the outline on top of this area chart, a thick outline. What I can do for this is just copy this, command and click in case of Mac, control and drag in case of Windows, right click, dual axis, synchronize axis, remove this. What we can do now is first profit we can change it to line, and the second one we can keep it to area. So for line, let's increase the opacity to 100%. For area, the opacity depends on how you want to keep it. So now you can see your area chart over here has a beautiful thick outline, and obviously the size of this line can easily be determined by you. There you have it. There are 3 different interesting ways how I personally like to use dual axis chart, and what I would love to see is your comments. When you comment down below what are your favorite ways of how you like to use dual axis chart in your visualizations. See you soon. Happy visiting. Bye bye.